Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status always active. If we don't want our status to change to away while working, this guide will walk us through some simple and effective methods. Let's get started. On the Microsoft Teams dashboard, go to the upper right corner. We will see a mini profile picture. Click on that. We will see the available status. If our status is set to Appear Away or Available, make sure we choose the Available option. We can also configure the settings to manage our present status. While we are on our tab and away from the keyboard, we can still look active by turning this on. Click in the Present section. Once we turn this on, our status will always show as available. We can also set a status message, like "We're available" or "We're online." Just type the message and save it. With these easy tips, we can stay visible and available throughout the workday.